we believe there is still a high unmet medical need for the treatment of soft tissue sarcoma and believe that the combination of Sonnet 1010 with a Trabectedin could address this need.
Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back for another Virtual Investor What This Means segment. My name is Janine Thomas. I am CEO of JTCIR, and I will be moderating this segment. Today, we are excited to welcome back Sonnet BioTherapeutics to our Virtual Investor platform, and I am very pleased to be joined by Dr. Pankaj Mohan. He is Chief Executive Officer of Sonnet BioTherapeutics. Welcome back, Pankaj.
Thank you so much, Janine.
So happy to have you. But before we get started, I want to inform our audience that Sonnet BioTherapeutics Holdings, Inc., or Sonnet BioTherapeutics, is listed on NASDAQ and trades under the ticker SONN. And during today's discussion, the company will be making forward-looking statements, and I encourage everyone to view the company's website at sonnetbio.com or the SEC's website for their latest filings and information. Pankaj, congratulations on this news today. And for our audience, Sonnet announced that it'll be moving forward with an expansion of its ongoing phase 1 SB101 study to include a new cohort to evaluate the effects of Sonnet 1010 in combination with Trabectedin or Yondelis for the treatment of certain soft tissue sarcomas. So Pankaj, to get us started, can you provide an overview of your pipeline and how the new extension with the combination of Trabectedin and Sonnet 1010 fit into your overall strategy?
Absolutely, Janine. We are developing targeted immuno-oncology drugs that are designed to turn cold tumors hot. We do this with our innovative fully human albumin binding FHAB modular platform technology. By customizing the cytokine payload based on the desired application and delivering this payload directly to the tumor with enhanced tumor penetration and retention. Our cytokine payloads are interleukin 12, interleukin 15, and interleukin 18, to name a few. Then they work by locally activating the immune system against the tumor. Looking at our pipeline here on this slide, you can see that we have a number of programs utilizing a cytokine payload. We also have an ongoing phase 1 study in solid tumors named SB101. Now, this study is progressing nicely, and when presented with the opportunity to expand the study into certain soft tissue sarcomas or STS, we were eager to jump on it as strategic as we believe this is an underserved patient population in need of a new therapeutic solutions and fits ideally within our broader pipeline at targeting solid tumors.
So Pankaj, can you give us the history of phase 1 SB101 study and the reason for picking Sonnet 1010 for a new combination?
Well, as you know, Janine, we have been investigating Sonnet 1010, our interleukin 12, a proprietary version of a recombinant human interleukin 12 drug candidate that utilizes our fully human albumin binding or FHAB platform to extend the half-life and bioactivity of interleukin 12 in our phase 1 SB101 study. In December 2024, we announced the successful completion of the monotherapy dose escalation part of our phase 1 study. And at that time, we noted that we were able to dose escalate up to 1200 nanogram per kg in 6 patients without observing any dose limiting toxicities or related serious adverse events. Given the history of safety concern with recombinant interleukin 12, it was encouraging to see higher doses of Sonnet 1010 demonstrating minimal toxicity. We believe that our tumor targeting and extended bioactivity could drive improved safety and tolerability for Sonnet 1010. In addition, as we previously disclosed, we are pleased that roughly half or 48% of evaluable patient remained stable for at least 4 months. We did observe one partial response per RECIST criteria in a patient with a clear cell sarcoma. Another patient in the first dose cohort with endometrial sarcoma who was progressing at study entry had evidence of improvement after 11 months with small tumors and complete resolution of ascites. This patient continued therapy, later progressed at 23 months and started chemotherapy.
So, Pankaj, I'd like for you to explain to our audience what led up to this expansion today and desire to investigate SON 1010 in combination with Trabectedin.
Yes, in light of the SON 1010 results, we want to further explore the efficacy of SON 1010 with a Trabectedin in earlier stage sarcoma patient. A Trabectedin is an anti-neoplastic alkylating agent that interferes with, with DNA transcription and repair, resulting in cell death. It's a chemotherapy drug and has adverse side effects, but it also has been shown to improve progression-free survival or PFS in metastatic or recurrent leiomyosarcoma or liposarcoma. It also has an effect on the immune system of activating the tumor microenvironment towards a pro-inflammatory state. We believe a combination of SON 1010, an immune enhancer with a chemotherapy agent like Trabectedin, has the potential to synergistically improve response in a serious type of cancer like soft tissue sarcoma.
Pankaj, extremely helpful. So now you have enrolled several soft tissue sarcoma patients in the dose escalation part of the phase 1 SB101 study at the Sarcoma Oncology Center. Can you talk about that relationship and their experience so far with SON 1010?
Certainly, the principal investigator for the study is Dr. Sant Chawla of the Sarcoma Oncology Center. And so we are pleased to collaborate with an organization with extensive experience in treating soft tissue sarcoma patients. We have worked with the Sarcoma Oncology Center to design an expansion and combination cohort with Trabectedin on patient selection and the number of patients we think that will be necessary to provide a statistical response. The Sarcoma Oncology Center has contributed to the development of Trabectedin over the years. So their guidance and feedback from investigators help us as we drive forward our clinical development program for SON 1010.
Pankaj, how do you view the business aspect of this combination study, and can you provide us with any near-term value-driving milestones?
Yes, we believe there is still a high unmet medical need for the treatment of soft tissue sarcoma and believe that the combination of SON 1010 with a Trabectedin could address this need. Further, this combination adds another aspect of our pipeline that can potentially open an additional avenue for partnering. We expect to share top-line safety data for this combination in second half of calendar year 2025.
Excellent, Pankaj. Congratulations again on your news, and thank you for joining us today. And this does conclude the Virtual Investor What This Means segment with Sonnet BioTherapeutics. And I would like to thank Dr. Pankaj Mohan, CEO of the company, for joining us today. And as a reminder, Sonnet BioTherapeutics trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SONN. And if you like what you saw today, I encourage you to visit sonnetbio.com for more information on the company and to sign up to follow the company to receive their alerts, as well as follow their social channels to stay current on the latest information. And you can also visit virtualinvestorco.com for our latest segments and event calendar. We've got some exciting events coming in the very near term, so stay tuned for that. And I'd like to thank everyone and wish you a great rest of your day.
Thank you.